Students, we are going to start normed spaces. This is the lecture 1 of normed spaces, and in this lecture we will define field. What is field? Field is basically a non-empty set satisfying some particular axioms. A non-empty set F is called a field, if for all x, y and z in F satisfies the following conditions are axioms. We call a non-empty set F as a field if it satisfies some conditions, some axioms. The first of those conditions is F is an additive abelian group. It means F satisfies 5 conditions. First of all, F is closed with respect to addition. Secondly, F is associative with respect to addition. It means all the elements of set F satisfies the associative property with respect to addition. The third one is 0 belongs to F. It means F contains additive identity. The fourth one is every element of F has its additive inverse in F. And the last one is the commutative property with respect to addition holds in F. 5 conditions. If F satisfies 5 conditions, then F is called additive abelian group. To be a field, first of all, F must be an additive abelian group. The second one, F minus 0. If we delete 0 from F, then the remaining F is an abelian group with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication. It means non-zero elements of set F make an abelian group with respect to multiplication. It means non-zero elements of F, when they make a set, the set F is closed with respect to multiplication. Associative property with respect to multiplication holds. Multiplicative identity, I mean 1, belongs to F. The non-zero elements of F have multiplicative inverse in F, and commutative property with respect to multiplication holds in F. If all these 5 conditions are satisfied by the non-zero elements of F, then the set of non-zero elements of F is called an abelian group with respect to multiplication. And the second condition to be a field is that F minus 0 is an abelian group with respect to multiplication. And the third one is left and right distributive laws hold in F. Left and right distributive laws hold in F. In F, all the elements satisfy left distributive law and right distributive law. That is, for all x, y and z in F, x multiplied by y plus z is equal to xy plus xz, and x plus y multiplied by z from right side is equal to xz plus yz. If these three conditions are satisfied by the set F, then set F is called a field.